coming here to demand that there must be the release of the Phala judgment. If they are used to business as usual, it's not going to be business as usual. The EFF is here to make sure that everybody does his or her job. The lower courts, the high courts, are demanded that once they've heard the matter and concluded the matter, they must release their judgment within 3 months. Those are the standards that this court has set for the lower court. How do you say those who fall under you, after 3 months they must release judgment when the matter is concluded, but you can take the whole year? If you say the lower ones can take 3 months, you must take 2 months to show them that you are leading by example and they must follow your example.